Tado's smart heating system includes not only a central thermostat, but also internet-connected radiator valves that ensure that every room in your house is evenly heated, or not heated at all when it's unoccupied. The functionality is expansive, but Tado's system could certainly do with being a little more intuitive for the novice user. Smart heating has been the poster child for the smart home since Nest burst onto the scene in 2011, and since then companies like Tado have taken the technology far further. Whereas Nest utilizes a single thermostat that's only capable of reading the temperature in one room and adjusting the whole house's heating, Tado's system adds a series of internet-connected radiator valves to read and adjust your heating across all the rooms in your house. It's a phenomenally feature-packed system, especially if you combine it with the system's HomeKit integration. You won't find that your heating system fails to turn on just because the central thermostat is in the warmest part of your house, and nor will you waste money heating empty rooms. As a result of this efficiency, we found that the Tado heating system reduced our energy consumption by 15% over the winter months. The energy-saving aspects of the system are impressive, but we were a little less impressed with its control interface, which is more complicated than the competition. Nevertheless, if you're prepared to invest the time it takes to learn how to use the system to its fullest, and the money it costs to equip your whole house with the hardware, then you'll find Tado to be an investment worth making, for the environment if not directly for your own wallet. Price and availability. At present the Tado Smart Thermostat is only available in the UK and select European countries. The Tado cooling system, which controls AC systems, is available in the US and Australia, so the Smart Thermostat may one day make its way to those countries too. In terms of price, it will really depend on how many radiators you have. The starter kit is £199, and includes the internet bridge and the smart thermostat. Then each additional radiator thermostat is £59. Installation and setup. For our test we went with a complete Tado installation consisting of a central smart thermostat aided by 4 smart radiator thermostats. This would ensure that the upstairs rooms, which tend to be a lot colder than the rest of the flat, could be heated in line with the rest of the building. This left just 2 valve-equipped radiators in our home without the Tado radiator valves. We chose to not install these on the radiators in our kitchen and living room since they're the most likely to be the same temperature as the hallway where the central thermostat is. Although Tado advertises that you can easily install all its equipment yourself, we opted to have a certified installer come to get us set up. This can be organized through Tado's website. When the installer arrived, it was a fairly simple process to unequip our last thermostat, and get Tado's system hooked up. The only time-consuming